Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आमच्या मान्यवरांचे स्वागत गीताचं स्वागत झाले असा अशा वेळात आमच्या स्थानिक पंचायतीचे सरपंच सन्माननीय गव्हर्नर सर तसेच गोवा विधानसभेचे सभापती पंचायतीचे सरपंच गव्हर्नर सर आमका पुन्हा हे असा आमचे श्रीस्थळ पंचायतीचे पंच मेंबर बाबाराजी रक्षिता
Delphina Maskar, Sarita.
This is normally the normal routine function of a government. But on the eve of our Prime Minister's Narendra Modi's birthday, 71st birthday, we declared some projects on the basis of Manava Seva, Madhava Seva. So, serving the people is actually we are serving the God, praying before the God, submitting before the God. That was a concept, and I am very happy to say that within the short time of 7 months, I visited Konkani Taluk, as rightly pointed out by our speaker 4 times. My understanding is two meaning. Our Rajabhavan has decided go and meet the people, and that program is Tova Sampurna Yatra. I don't know within the specified time I can complete the task, and our Rajabhavan secretary is working hard for arranging the programs. We have already covered today with a great satisfaction, and thanks to our speaker also. Today I am completing the process of meeting panchayats, all the Grama panchayats today in this Taluka, Nagari, Konkani Taluk. Within short time, say within 6 months, if God bless me, God is my Lord, I think I will be able to visit all the panchayats and as far as possible Grama panchayats. My visit will be over within 6 months. What I intend is to go to this beautiful place. This is a tourist hub. Normally people are coming from the various parts of India as well as various parts of the world. They are only interested in visiting cities and beach areas, etc., etc. And that is not I am not fighting for with anything. But whenever you go to the villages of panchayat areas, village areas of our Goa, I would like to say this is a gift of God. This Goa is a gift of God. If you are going to the villages, you will see beautiful places, temples, churches, mosques, all in our traditional way of construction, and people are proudly presenting such things before the visitors. Today I visited Nagarjuna Mallikarjuna temple, where the paintings and other things, no paint was available at that time. About 400-500 years back, concept of paint was, I think, alien to this country. And I visited many places. So I am now on a study tour and I am getting more and more information with respect to these great people of Goa. And as per our scheme, in Prime Minister's birthday, our secretary conducted a press conference and stated that His Excellency Governor intends to give 71 help to aid to 71 dialysis patients and 71 orphanage type institutions. Within 7 months, I am very happy to say that more than 200 dialysis patients now enjoy the aid given by our Rajpur. And more than 100 institutions, about 100 institutions, Hindu, Christian, Muslim. We are also Kalyanashram, Kashava Sevasar. So many institutions are there, and Manavasi Vikas activities also we have. So we are doing this. I am concluding my speech. Manava Seva, if you want to serve the people, that service to the people amounts to service to the God, and I am requesting 21st century, we will all try to make our country Bharat. 21st century will be of our nation. Bharat Mata, service to Bharat Mata, and through that process we will be able to make the Goa Sampurna Yatra, and our government also, new government also, yesterday all Speaker, Chief Minister and other MLAs, we together, sat together and had cup of tea, all of us, and I am very happy to say that a state, the self-reliant Goa and self-reliant India, we will be able to realize, and I am requesting all type of cooperation on the part of the people for attaining and obtaining and achieving a self-reliant India.
आज आमी गव्हर्नरा मेळपा आयिल्ले काणकोण गव्हर्नर आमचे म्हणल्यार आमी काणकोणचो आमचो लोकांचो डिमांड आसलो आनी तो डिमांड आमी सगळ्या ऑफिसांनी वचोन दिल्लो आसा की काणकोण टू मारगांव आनी मारगांव काणकोण टू पोळे हे 2 हायवेचो आमचो डिमांड आमी प्रत्येक फाटी फॉलोअप करीत आसा पूण तेजेर आमकां कोणूच रिस्पॉन्स दिना. आयज आमी जे येईचें ऑफिस काणकोण धरलें तें मारगांव पणजी गव्हर्नराक सगळें आमी सबमीट केलें पूण आमकां खंयच्याच कडेन रिस्पॉन्स मेळना. आमी आमच्या MLA फुड्यान उलयलें, MLAन आमकां सांगलें की 1 तारखेसान काम स्टार्ट जाता म्हणून, पूण तरी आसतना कोण कांयच मनार घेना. हांव गव्हर्नराक हांव मेळपा आयिल्लो कारण कितें आमचें मेमोरंडम आमी सगळें जाग्यान दिल्लें, तेजें आमकां कोणूच रिप्लाय कांय दिना. आयज आमी गव्हर्नराक एक परत डिमांड केला, सर आमी सगळे कडेन सबमीट केल्लें आतां, प्लीज आमचो एक जाता तसो करून आमी आज सगळ्या कडेन ट्राय केला. एक तुज्यान जर आमकां जाता त्या भशेन आमकां हेल्प करून हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक करून आमकां दी म्हणून आमचो एक डिमांड सरा कडेन मांडला. आज
तुम्ही कितें भायर कितें दिलो तुमी?
आमकां भायर म्हणल्यार जेन्ना आमी वयर चडपाक गेल्ले मेमोरंडम दिवपाक, PI मागलो तुमकां परमिशन ना मागलो, तुमकां जेन्ना वयर वचपाचें आपल्यान विचारलें तेन्ना तेमी सांगलें मागलें परमिशन तुका की तुमी सकयल जावन दियाय म्हणून, वयर मेळपा ना मागलें मेळपाक. पूण आमी पयल्या खूब जाण लोक वयर चडले, वयर वचत आसले, पूण आमी जातले ते सकयल आसले आनी आमगेलेच मेमोरंडम सकयल दिवपाक पडलें.
ते पयलीं परमिशन घेवपा जाय आसलें काय कितें मेमोरंडम? तुमी विचारलें काय कितें?
आमी काणकोणकार आनी आमी काणकोणचो इशू घेवन येयल्लो.
आज गोंयचे गव्हर्नर माननीय श्रीधरन पिल्लई यांची हे काणकोण दौऱ्याचेर आशिल्ले. पयलीं सकाळ फुडें तेणें काणकोण मल्लिकार्जुनाचें दर्शन घेतलें. त्या उपरांत काणकोणच्या श्रीस्थळ पंचायतीच्या सभागृहांत ते जे किडनी पेशंट आसा ते डायलिसीस करता तांकां तेणें आर्थीक मदत केली. त्याच बरोबर जवळ जवळ 3 पंचायतीच्या पंचांक सरपंचांक घेवन ते बसले, तेंचे बरोबर इंट्रॅक्शन केलें तेणी. ह्या पंचायतीच्यो तेणें समस्या जाणून घेतल्यो. त्या उपरांत ते पैंगीण विश्रामगृहाक गेले. पैंगीण विश्रामगृहाक बाकीची ज्यो 4 पंचायती आशिल्ल्यो त्यो पंचां बरोबर आनी सरपंचा बरोबर ताणें इंटरेक्शन केलें, थंयची तेंची समस्या जाणून घेतल्यो. त्या उपरांत ताणें परशुराम देवाचें दर्शन घेतलें. जेन्ना गव्हर्नर हांगा श्रीस्थळ पंचायती वयताले तेन्ना काणकोण काणकोणच्या काँग्रेसवाल्यांनी तांकां एक काणकोणचो जो रस्तो पिड्यार जाला तेजें निवेदन दिवपा खातीर ते गेल्ले, पूण काणकोण पुलिसांनी तांकां आडयलें. ताका लागून तांकां भितर सभागृह वचपाक दिवना, तांकां सभागृहा भायरच तांकां हें निवेदन दिवचें पडलें. प्रुडंटा खातीर काणकोणच्यान बाबेश बोरकार.